Another episode means another sneaker review. So welcome to my candy store. Let's make the sneakers talk. Today I have people's favorite sneaker to review. Come close, come with me. So as you can see, my hands are full with Jordans. Let's just say Jordans going once, Jordans going twice, and Jordans going thrice. This is one of my favorite shoes, but also the most underrated Jordan. Wasn't very famous, to be honest. It's been worn by the biggest of celebrities. I'm talking about people like Bradley Cooper. I'm talking about people like Zawi. I'm talking about people like Eddie Kenzo. Even myself, I do have a pair in black and white. It's a Jordan 1 Low Panda. So this is a 2024 release. Actually, it's quite very new, and it's called the Year of the Dragon, released to commemorate the Chinese Year of the Dragon. Basically, a few copies were released, and you never know, maybe they might release a few more copies after some months, but it is a limited edition. I don't know if you guys know the rapper Travis Scott. Travis Scott is very, very passionate about sneakers, just like myself. And these are a collab with Travis Scott. So Travis Scott has a record label that's called the Cactus Jack. And Cactus Jack is actually his nickname as well. His friends call him Jack or Cactus. And when he sends them sneakers, they're like, I got this from a Cactus Jack. So it's a record label that he decided was going to be on his sneakers as well. This is a reverse mocha, and this is a golf. Let me tell you the difference between these shoes. Now this is entirely meant for golf. There is a golf here, and the cactus coming in from Travis Scott as well, and here as well. It's a bit extended and it's a bit rugged, so that means it's made for the golf turf. This is entirely a shoe that is worn on normal days. You're going to work, you're going to a party, you're just going outside, you can wear this. I know many of us call this a tick, with a Nike tick, but no, it's not a tick. It's a swoosh, right? It's called a swoosh. Now, I want to show you the difference between the Panda and the Cactus Jack. If you look very closely, this swoosh goes round like this all the way. And then for the Cactus Jacks, the swoosh is it's in reverse, but I'm going to try them on because they can be worn anywhere, these shoes. Most of us are wearing these socks. We're going to wear them like this, but no, that's not how these socks are supposed to be worn. Because it's a Jordan 1 Low, the socks have to be low as well. So you make sure that your socks are a bit low like this. Now, one thing about these shoes, very comfortable, very stylish, where they come with another pair of laces. So if you feel like your outfit is a bit maybe dark and will go well with the black shoelaces, so you could always just change the shoelaces. As far as price is concerned, these go for $160. So depending on your pocket, you can have yourself a pair of Jordans, especially the golf edition. I'm waiting for the days Ugandan rappers or Ugandan celebrities are going to have collabs like this with shoes. Imagine this in collab with Fefe Busi, or this in collab with Prim Asiimwe. I would make sure there is like a pulley somewhere here. When they are a pair, one shoe has the Cactus Jack, and then the other has the Air Jordan logo. All right, so let's talk about the authenticity of these Jordans. First of all, these shoes come in a box. So if you go to buy these shoes, nebazikora mukavera ka black, duka mkwano, run, scatter, because they must come in a box, right? There is a code on the inside that you can scan, and if it's not scannable, then it's definitely not a Jordan. And also here, there is a Cactus Jack, as you can see, and there is this logo for the Jordan as well. So you can buy the shoe online, or if you want to buy it here in Uganda, you can find it at SmartFit UG. If you look for them on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, they are available, and also at Ella Shoes, yeah, right here on Instagram. What I know about these guys, bami baina nungi basalako bojja nokaya bizibu byo nga bakusalirako nga wetwalira Jordan yo mukwano.